bias ko early si Beanie, si Mika, and then record ko si Aya. But bro, after Beanie,
Mika,
oh my
Aya.
gosh.
Mika,
Grabe, like
Aya.
sila lahat, hindi ko na-gets. Like, bias record ko silang lahat talaga. Si Sheena ang galing sumayaw. Para talagang, oh my God, may Michael Jackson heart. And then, sila ni Colette. Parang grabe. Hi, Rian. Napansin po kita. Hello po, Rian. Uy, wag na kayo. Guys, wag na kayong musunong. Guys, hindi na talaga ako kakanta.
Lion na lang guys, lion.
Wag. Huwag kayong maniwala dito. Wag kayong maniwala.
So, sino yung sa inyo? Bias ko sa Beanie si ano. Wait. Uy, huwag niyo sasabihin to. Naiya ako.
Secret lang. Naiiyak ako.
Bias ko si ano. Beanie Colette. Yes. And actually ano. Uy, ang dami. I love them all.
Yeah.
True.
Through the fire. Ako din.
Oh,
Ako din. Totoo.
Oo, totoo.
Ay, hindi. Huh? Huh? Ako po si ano? Beanie Gwen. Ate Gwen. Level.
Actually, sinabi ko sa kanila yung ano, yung mga bias ko. Pero sa ngayon, ano, isa lang muna. Si ano.
Pero lahat po sila napaka-galing.
Oh, totoo.
You're level.
I
You're
love
so
them all.
slay and so demure.
So cutesy. So gorgeous.
Me, ano.
Sino sa'yo?
Yes. Si
Giving
Aya.
1,000 out of 10.
Si Aya.
Aya.
Gifts.
Ako, ano.
Yes. My fellow.
Mika can step on me.
Sige nga.
Oh.
Walang ganta.
Bias sa Beanie! Si Ate, alam, hirap! First to be si Ate Maloy, or si Ate Mika. Ay, ayun. Kami Oshi ko.
Sino po bias nyo sa Beanie? Okay, so ganito kasi yun. Alam, sobrang lately lang ako nakakanood ng mga Beanie. And I understand, it sucks you in pala. Like, at first you're like, oh yeah, Beanie, yeah, they're good. And then you watch one video. And then you watch 5 videos. And then 10 videos. And you're like, Beanie. My bias. I will always be biased to Aya. Because she's the first Beanie girl I met. No, actually, first Beanie girl I knew of. And she's very nice. And she's very smart. I rarely see them though. But I've got a slight crush on Mika. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous girl. But I have a bias wrecker. I now understand what a bias wrecker is. I was like, what is a bias wrecker? What are you wrecking? I don't understand. And my bias wrecker is Sheena. Yeah, Sheena. Is that Taylor Swift on your shirt? Yeah! I got it from the Eras tour. My bias my bias wrecker is Sheena. Sheena. Sheena Marie. Yeah. I really love her dancing. Parang hindi ko namamalayan. Sobrang tagal ko na palang nanonood ng mga video niya.
Sino bias mo sa Beanie?
Oh my bias, Beanie. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beanie so crazy. They're so hot.
Sino ang bias mo po sa Beanie? Actually, they're all the songs I love. They're super nakaka-LSS. But, Beanie Maloy is the only one that I actually had a personal interaction with. Na nakapag-post kami. We still have pan-trophy ko challenge. But I guess
Sinong bias mo sa Bini? Paulit-ulit sila, oh. Gusto nila ako magkamali, eh.
Sino nga? Kasi ako, fan din ako ng Bini, bias ko si Aya eh. Ikaw?
Sinabi ko sa kanila si nung una si Maloy, pero ko kasi parang medyo nakilala ko yung ibang members. So, pantay na sila ni Aya. Pantay na sila.
Eh,
Kung kasama ka sa Bini, ikaw talaga
wag
pipiliin
na
ko,
magkung,
promise.
wag na lagyan ng kung. Ano ako si V? Kung TV. Charis. Wag na lagyan yan. Parang inaano mo lang ako eh. Parang pampalubag loob na lang eh.
Hindi, totoo yan.
Pwede ka naman sumagot ng wala akong bias. Pare-parehas silang lahat. Ganyan. Alam mo, kaya hindi kita sinasagot eh.
Mali-mali kasi sagot ko, kaya hindi ako nasasagot.
Ate Life Full of Love, thank you. Uy, sobrang fan sa'yo si Ate Life Full of Love. Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi na sino?
Ano ko, gifter ko, tapos sobrang fan siya sa'yo.
Ay, talaga? Gifter mo, lipat ka nga po dito.
Nagawa mo na lang lahat sa akin. Chat, pwede naman ako mag-gift sa'yo.
Ay, oo nga pala. Binigyan yan ng present ni Kevin. Times 11,000. Times 11,000. Screenshot ko.
Ano yun?
12,000. Binigyan yan ng present ni Kevin. Times 12,198.
Uy, sinasabotahin nyo talaga love life ko, no? Wala lang yun, present as a friend. Pero buti pa siya may present. Yung iba dyan. Yung iba dyan, wala. Wala ka talagang present.
Ikaw, meron ako, madami ako. Yung una nga, medyo hindi mo pa nga pinansin eh. Yung mga live gifts ko sa'yo eh. Yung nagtampo ka eh.
Nandun ka pala.
No, nandun ako.
Sa mga oras na yun, nasasaktan talaga ako eh.
Okay, naiintindihan ko yun.
Alam mo paano present ni Kevin sa akin kagabi?
Asan? Patingin?
Ribbon siya. Tapos, nilagay niya pangalan ko sa ribbon. Tapos, ginanon niya sa biceps niya. Tapos, nag-break yung ribbon.
Napunot yung biceps. Napunot yung ribbon.
Yeah.
Parang gantong ribbon ba?
Ha? Uy, ba't may ribbon ka dyan? Stalker ka
Paano?
talaga. Stalker ka talaga. Ba't may ribbon ka?
Bakit? Baya sabihin eh. Pwede ba sila lang? Pero kasi, may ibang connection kami ni TJ with Colette. Kasi si Colette yung Bisaya, di ba? Ay, Bisaya kami dalawa ni TJ. So, mas siya yung kamatch namin ng humor, kamatch ng ano. And, si Gwen, kasi medyo nakikita ko yung sarili ko kay Gwen as an artist. Parang like very unconventional, very gusto ko yung medyo like editorial yung vibe ni kay Gwen. But I love them all. Alam mo yung ang ganda-ganda nila pero meron sila sarili-sariling topak din.
In Bini? Sino bias ko in Bini? Is it the question? Of course, walang iba. Si Bini Aya po. Si Bini Aya. Ate Aya. You know what do you call this? Maybe you might find it interesting. I've known Ate Aya for a long time. We weren't close, pero we know each other mutually. Kasi we did modeling workshop together. And I remember her. She was mahiyain pa. And I was a kid, like a child. And my face was so kapal pa at the time. Kaya,
Sinong bias sa Beanie? Si Beanie Mika. Super, ang ganda niya. Nakikita ko rin siya palagi with Denise Julia. Sabi ko, ang ganda na ng mga to. Gorgeous. I like Aya also. Aya is very, very nice. Siya actually ang una kong nakilala na Beanie member. Pantropiko. Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Magmula nung makita ka. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to come back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Tama ba yan? What do you think of Beanie? I think they're slay. What do you mean? What do I think? They're awesome. They work so hard. I can't imagine how much work they put into being a girl group. I have been in a girl group once in my life. And although it was not a major slay like Beanie, it's really hard. But they're so cute because when I see them, they really look like they have a sisterhood. Like they're a family. And they look like there's no competition between each other, which is so important if you're in a group. When you're in a group, you all have to have the same goal, which is umangat kayong sabay-sabay. And I see that with them. I see that with them, so that's really nice. What are you drinking? I am drinking Lux Cantaloupe Melon.
Bias mo daw, Mika, sa Beanie if ever wala ka daw sa TV. Secret. Ako nga, sinagot yan eh. Oo.
Sige, why Beanie? Sino yung mga Beanie ano dito? And this is your bias?
Bias ko po si Sheena, Ate Sheena.
Right. And you?
Bini Joanna po.
Beanie Mika.
Ay, mga Bini fans lang. Oh, ako, Bini Sheena, Bini Sheena.
Beanie Maloy.
Ako po si Bini Maloy po.
Maloy.
Bini Mika po.
Maloy.
Oh, I watched their recent performance in the football of basketball court.
Ate Mika played volleyball.
Oh, really?
He was best setter.
Oh,
Spike medals?
I think Winston is a good player in volleyball too.
Oh yeah.
And Kaylee. And Grace too, I think. Like the three of them. Did you guys play volleyball?
Me. I tried and I failed.
I just know how to serve, that's it.
I just know how to spike.
I just know.
lagi magdala.
Sino po ba yung sasabihin natin, Maloy?
Now.
Ate Aya, let's go. And maybe Mika. Salamangka. Ay! Di pala Mika. Mika Salamangka. Ay, joke lang. Mika lang. Mika Lim. Yeah. I really like her red hair. Yes. Pumunta sila sa Billboards Korea.
Congrats!
With SB19. Congratulations po.
Wow!
Congrats po. Sana next time magkasama tayo. Yes. Keep the milestone higher.